So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Techie Hooker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can turn on or turn off fast startup on Windows 11. So first of all, click on the start icon on your taskbar. Now you search for control panel. Press enter to open it. Now you search for power options. Now click on the first option. Now here on the left pane, click on choose what the power button do. Now click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And by default, turn on fast startup is on. To turn it off, uncheck this option and click on save changes. And this will turn off fast startup. To turn it on, check this checkbox and click on save changes. And this will turn on fast startup. So this can turn on or turn off fast startup on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.